How to fix Fortnite FPS stuck on 60. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to verify your Fortnite file. In order to do so, go ahead and open up your game file in your library, then tap on the three-dot icon next to your game. Then it will pop up a list of options. Navigate to the option of Manage, then click on where it says Manage. Next step, you'll be able to find the option of Verify Files. At the end of the option, you will see Verify option. Tap on it and wait until your file is verified. This should solve the problem. Then you need to open up your Fortnite. Click on the menu option, which will be in your top left corner. In the display option, you need to change the rendering mode to performance to lower the graphic fidelity. From the option, you need to select the option of rendering mode, then adjust your graphic measures, which will be displayed at the side in the right hand side. Now once you adjust all of this, your FPS issue must be solved. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.